Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And after taking support around our level of 331015, gold showed a good amount of upside. Straight away went to 3350 area, faced some resistance, and right now trading around 3340. So this is the current market price here. So on the 15-minute chart of gold, we can see that after the good amount of upside, gold is showing some retracement or correction. But we need to keep in mind that the story on the higher time frame, for example 4 hours time frame, is different, and also we can see a different story on the daily time frame. Especially on daily time frame, we can see the market is sideways. We do not have any clarity. So if you're a trader of the higher time frame, then obviously this is not the right time to trade. Maybe after the weekly closing you will get some idea or clarity, but as of now we don't have anything, because you can clearly see on the chart that gold is silent. Okay, overall trend is up. If you have been holding gold for quite some time, you can hold your buy position. But if you're looking for a fresh position, then obviously this is not the right time. If you look at the 4 hours time frame of gold, we can see on the 4 hours time frame of gold, okay, market is little bit positive, because the structure of the market was bearish, and right now gold is trying to break it. But until and unless gold breaks 3360, we cannot say that gold is going up. So gold is trying to recover, but technically we do not have the confirmation here, because we need a structural change here. And if you look at the hourly chart, we can see a similar story here. Okay, and to understand the levels better, let's look at the levels on the 15-minute time frame. So before I proceed, let me make it very clear that we do not have any major levels for the day. Yes, we don't have any major levels. So guys, okay, if you're looking for some very good trades, reliable trades, then obviously, we got nothing, because the next best support on the chart of gold is around 3300, which is far away. Then we have another good support around 328582, 327570. All these levels are far away from the current market price. So tomorrow, okay, if there is a drastic change on the volatility and volume, maybe we will get some good trades around these areas. But as of now, the levels that are in front of us are not very reliable. So plan your risk management accordingly. Okay, so the first level where we can look for a buy is around 32 level, 3332. Okay, we can look for a good buy around 32 level, and the second buying opportunity will be around 3327. 27 and 32 are the two levels. As a day trader, where you can look for a 50 pips bounce. Minimum SL should be 50 pips here as well. Means 1:1 reward ratio. If market shows further potential, you can go for 1:2, but initially go for 1:1 only. We are looking for these areas, because you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level around 32, and we have FIBO 61.8% level around 27 area, and also the previous resistance will be working as support. So if we need to compare, then 27 seems to be a better level, not a very strong level, okay, but seems to be a better level in comparison to 32, 33. Okay, but if the volume remains low, agar volume kam rehta hai, okay, you can look for a quick bounce. That's it. One level, one bounce only. Do not expect that 32.27 will become a strong support. It will hold the market. No, they don't have the potential. As a day trader, you can just look for a one bounce. That's it. And if market drops, then as we have already discussed many times, okay, 3300, 327075, 8582, okay, those levels will come, but as of now chances are very less. And one more thing I would like to add here is that maybe you can also see that we have a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. Okay, so if you love to trade on patterns, if you trade on head and shoulder pattern, you can look for a sell position. Personally, I am not going to take any sell position, because to be honest, okay, head and shoulder pattern, okay, never works for me. Okay, I never made any money on head and shoulder pattern. Okay, थोड़ा मनहूस जैसा है. So if you love to trade on head and shoulder pattern, you can go for it. Okay, but personally I'm going to skip it because, to be honest, okay, I haven't made a single penny on head and shoulder pattern till date. Okay, so it's up to you. But what we can do is, okay, if there is a breakdown, okay, if there is a breakdown later on when the market will be going up, the same level means 334041, okay, will become the new resistance because the previous support become the resistance. So then, yes, we can look for a sell position and maybe then I will enter. But as of now, if you love to trade on patterns, you can go for a sell. I will not go. But later on, when the same level will become the new resistance, yes, we can go for a sell position as well. Okay, so it's up to you now. And during the day, if market goes up, then one thing I would like to add here is that 3352 what is this? Okay, 3352 3358. Okay, this is a very risky zone. So if you are planning to go for a buy above 52 53, it's up to you. It's a very risky level. Okay, I will say that if you see a good amount of volume, then only go for it, or otherwise just avoid. Okay, what will be a better entry later on? If you see, let me take it to hourly chart. Okay, it will be better for us to understand. Yeah, the yellow box here. Okay, the yellow box is a dangerous zone. Yeah, it's a dangerous zone, so be careful. If you see that volume is very much high, then only go for it, because right now at the time of recording the video, okay, it's very difficult to say whether volume will be there or not. US session will be completely different, European session will be different. So it depends on the scenario. If volume comes up, then we can go for a buy and breakout above 52 53. But as of now, it seems to be a danger zone, risky zone, because market has shown multiple price rejections around 53 54 55 area. So here also, okay, if you are looking for a good trade, then at pullback, okay, at pullback we can look for a safe entry. Means the green box, you can see here, okay, which is 58 to 56. Okay, later on when the green box will become the new support, same concept, same price action, previous resistance becoming support, previous support becoming resistance, blah blah blah, that's it, same concept. Okay, so when the previous resistance will become the new support, then we can enter. Understood? So here also we are looking for a pullback trade. Okay, but now, okay, we can see market is going down. Head and shoulder lovers, okay, hopefully you're on sell right now. Okay, I will enter a sell at pullback again. Okay, and my reference, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, okay, for your hard-earned money, then you can consider opening an account with Vantage, or you can also opening your account in Star Trader as well. Both are, okay, very good safety-wise, top-notch brokers with all the regulations, and also they are member of the Financial Commission. So safety-wise, they are very good. अगर आपको नए broker की तलाश है और नए platform की तलाश है forex trading के लिए, okay, then you can consider Vantage or Star Trader. Okay, both are very good options. You will get the link in the description, and if you join with our referral, okay, then you can also become a member of our WhatsApp community as well. And moreover, if your account is under my referral, then we will be able to help you directly with any issues. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.